Hello friends, welcome to Home Edu Point. We provide studies at home. So in this video we will learn about what is SQL commands and type in MS SQL Server. So what is SQL commands? SQL commands are instruction. It is used to communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks like functions, queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like create tables, add data, and drop the tables, and modify the tables, set permission for users. So, what is the type of SQL commands? There are five types of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. So, what is DDL? So, we will understand DDL after understand these types. So, DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Data definition language includes create tables, drop tables, alter tables, truncate tables. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. Data manipulation language includes insert data, update data, and delete data. DCL include grant and revoke, and TCL includes commit, rollback, save point. DQL includes select. So first we will learn about data definition language. So data definition language DDL changes the structure of the table like creating table, deleting table, altering tables. All the commands of DDL are auto committed. That means it permanently save all the changes in database. Here are some commands that come under DDL. So create. Create it is used to create a new table in the database. So what is syntax? Create tables. This is command, and after that we will write table name, and in the column name data types. Example: create table. First create table command, then we will use name of the table like my table name is employee. So we will first include employee name. And what is data type? Data type is varchar 20. Then we will include employee emails, date of birth, date of joining. So we will understand one by one another videos. So we are learning here uh, summarize summarize data. So second is drop. Drop. Drop used to delete the structure and record store in the tables. What is syntax for drop? Drop table. Okay. Drop table. Sorry. Drop table is syntax, and then we will use table name. Example: drop table my commands, and employee is table name. So it will delete the table. Alter. It is used to alter the structure of database. This is change could be either to modify the characteristic of an existing attribute, or probably to add a new attribute. Syntax. What is syntax for? Alter table like add uh, table name. Sorry, alter table command alter table command, then table name, and add column name, column definitions. We will understand in next video. So, and fourth number, truncate. It is used delete all the row. Okay, only for row from the table and free the space containing the tables. What is syntax? Truncate table. This is command and table name. So, example truncate table and table names like employee. This is my table name. We will uh, consider the four topic in another videos. So second, DML. DML stands for data manipulation language. Second type, data manipulation language. Data manipulation commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for changes the database. The command of DML is non-auto-committed data. Means it can't permanently save all the changes in the database. DML includes three commands like insert, update, delete. Insert command to insert the data into the row of the tables. Syntax for uh, insert data. So first we will write command insert into, then table name, then column 1, column 2, column 3, and dot dot column n. Then we will write value 1, value 2, value 3, and this is also for value n. Second DML types, update. This is command used to update or modify the value of the column in the table. Here is syntax like update, then table name, then set, then column name equals to value column name n and value n. Where condition update like update my table name is students, set username Shono, where student id 3. Third, DML delete. It is used to remove one or more row from the tables. Here is syntax like delete from table name where condition. Then DCL. DCL stands for data control language. DCL commands are used to grant and take back authority from the database users. Here are some commands under two types. First, grant, then revoke. Grant define the name. Like it is used to give user access privileges to the database. Grant command used for privileges to the database. User access privileges to the database. Syntax grant select update on my table some user to another user. Revoke it is used to take back permission from the user. Then fourth, transaction control language. This is TCL. TCL commands can use with DML. Like we will use with a DML data manipulation language like insert, delete, update. These operations are automatically committed in the database. That's why they cannot be used while creating table or dropping them. Here are some commands that come under TCL like commit, rollback, save points. Commit. Why we use commit? Commit commands is used to save all the transactions to the database. Here is syntax delete from. We will understand commit in next video. Then we will uh, do on practical. Then rollback. Rollback command is used to. Here we are understanding a summarize, not for So rollback command is used to undo transactions that have not already been saved to database. Then save point. It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transactions. Then fifth number, data query language. What is data query language? DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. It is the most used command. Select. It is only one command, select command. This is the same as the projection operations of the relational algebra. It is used to select the attribute based on the condition described by where clause. Like select expression from tables where condition. For example, uh, I want to fetch employee name from employee table. So then we will write select command, then employee name table, like employee name column, then from where we want to fetch the data. So we will fetch the data from employee table, then we will write here employee table name, and then condition, we want to fetch the data aged more than 20 years. So we will use where condition like filter. So where aged more than 20, then semicolon, and then uh, run the query. So this will fetch the employee names which is more than 20 years. So these are the commands and type. So how was the video? Please comment and subscribe my channel. Also please like the video, and thank you.